Okay, let's start with speaking part two. Describe a time when you needed to search for information. Yes, please.
No doubt, nowadays internet has made our life very easy and comfortable. We can find any information about anything by the click of a button. In 10th standard, my math teacher gave me a project about a theorem. I first of all I find information about my theorem on internet, where found there are a limited and short information about it. That's I become sad and discussed with my parents. They advised me to visit a local library. Then I came there and found a lot of information about my project. I made their basic notes about it and felt very happy. That's it's search. It's very important for me because I think these theorem maybe will come in my annual exam. That's why I research about it.
All right, 1 minute, 8 seconds. Overall, it's good. Fluency is one of the issues, and second, you're mixing tenses, present and past. So through practice, you can overcome this thing. Now, let's move on to speaking part three. What information can people get from television?
I think lot information they gain through television and other sources, like condition of their countries and basic.
Okay, himmat. All right, don't worry. Thank you so much.